Hiyo! Today, another Raglan increasing idea. Look at this. Beautiful. If you want to get the written pattern, go check my description box. As you can see, increasing part is yarn over technique. And in the middle, looks a little bit like cable knitting, but it's not cable knitting. So it's super easy. Let's get started. Hey yo! Just a quick favor before we start. Everything here is free except for my gauge template. Patterns are in the description box and free to download. I do this so many people can enjoy knitting and learning for free. So, if you find this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. All right, let's get started. Cast on, I made 12 stitches. This is just a sample knitting, so it's really up to you. But I just need 6 stitches in between 2 markers. So, more than 8 would be great. Anyway, the first and last stitch would be just for the clear stitch. So don't include in the pattern, okay? So anyway, prep row or purl. This is easy row, and I actually add the marker, and again in between markers I need 6 stitches. So total of 12 stitches for me, right? So 3 marker, 6 stitch marker, and 3 stitches. So total of 12 stitches. Okay, so this is the second marker and purl 3. Again, first and last stitch would be just for the clear edge. Okay, so after the prep row, I'm gonna start right away, but I just want to make sure. Okay, this is just a sample knitting, and 2 markers, and in between markers I need 6 stitches. Then let's go. So row number 1, first stitch, slip 1 knitwise, then pattern kicks in. Okay, so slip 1 and then knit until first marker, then increase kicks in. This is Raglan increasing. Okay, then knit 6. Knit until second marker. Okay, so knit 6 because I have 6 stitches in between. So every time you increase with the yarn over, okay, don't increase within 2 markers. Always outside of marker. So I just did yarn over and knit, then purl at the end. Okay, then turn around, row number 2, wrong side, or purl. So again, slip 1 knitwise and all purl. So as you can see, that's the yarn over in previous row. You have to purl. That's it. So I just want you to remember increasing only on right side with yarn over, and increasing always outside of the marker. That's all you have to remember. Okay? And row number 3, same as row number 1. Nothing really fancy. Okay? I just want to show you one more time. So knit until the first marker, right? Then yarn over. Then knit 6. Make sure yarn over has to be outside. Sometimes because of the marker shape or whatever, that yarn over kind of slide in between markers. Okay, so if you see too many stitches in between markers, just don't panic. Okay, make sure increasing outside. That's it. Okay, so row number 4. This is one of the key row. Okay, so same purl until the marker. Okay, and I gotta do something in between those two markers. Okay, so purl, then slide the marker, then now purl 1, but double wrap. Okay, then pull through. So you have kind of 2 stitch. Okay, purl 1 and double, then pull through. Double, then pull through. Okay, so looks like you have 2 stitches in every stitch. Okay, so now in between markers, it looks like you have 12 stitches instead of 6 stitches. Okay, I'll show you after this row. Okay, so there we go. See, can you see? Way more stitches, but it's gonna be 6 stitches. Okay, so don't worry about it. So, and you will know what I mean soon. Okay, so rule number 5, okay, you focus on that, 6 stitches. So you tend to forget yarn over. So be careful, yarn over, and then pick up every stitch like that. Just pick up, don't knit, pick up. Third one, fourth one. So you know what I'm saying? I wrap it, right? Looks like increasing. No, it's just, I just want to get a little more length. That's it. So anyway, transfer those 6 stitches back onto the left needle. And then I'm going to knit, but from 4th stitch. Okay, skip first, second, and third stitches, and 4th stitch, I kind of pull that out, then knit that stitch first, and then try to kind of, drop that stitch over those 1, 2, 3 stitches ahead. Okay, so this is 5th stitch, knit 1, and then drop, kind of come over those 3, and this is 6th stitch, same thing. Okay, knit, then drop that 6th stitch off, so 4th, 5th, 6th, and now you have to knit 1st stitch, 2nd stitch, and 3rd stitch. So crossing has done. There you go. Can you see? It's not cable. Cable knitting is, 2 or 3 stitches come front or back, but this time no, kind of go into the loop. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, after these 6 stitches, yarn over and knit until the end. Okay? And then row number 6, super easy, all purl. Okay? And this is it. Okay? The first repeat is from row number 1 until row number 6. Okay? Once you finish row number 6, you just have to repeat from row number 3 to row number 6. As many as you want. That's it. Okay? So, the key rows are 4 and 5th row. That's it. And everything else, knit on right side and purl on wrong side, and yarn over on every right side. That's about it. Okay, so this is it. I just done row number 6, but you can't really see, right? So obviously I'm gonna knit a little bit more, and I can show you row number 4 and row number 5 again. Okay, then you will see what it looks like. Okay, so this is row number 4, wrong side, right? So purl with double wrap, 1 and second wrap, then pull through. So double stitch, 1, 2, pull through, 1 and 2. That's it. As long as you have kind of 2 stitches afterwards, so total of 12, I think you did right way. You know what I'm saying? There you go. But again, you're not increasing. You just kind of create more length because, you know, you have to kind of go cross. Looks like a cable knitting. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Anyway, row number 5, don't forget yarn over. And first, you kind of have to pick every stitch. So now you have to make, 12 stitch to 6 stitch. And once you pick those 6 stitches, transfer them back. And then you have to knit from 4th stitch. Okay? And this is not cable knitting, so you don't have to hold front or back. Just knit 4th stitch and kind of drop over those 3 stitch like that. Okay? And then knit 5th stitch. Then kind of go over, pass over, whatever, you want to say. And, stitch off. You know what I'm saying? There you go. 6 stitch, knit, then pass that over. Drop that off or whatever. And then knit 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. That's it. And after this, slide the marker and don't forget yarn over and knit until the end. That's it. You just keep repeating row number 3 to row number 6, as many as you want. There we go. And here comes, I repeated 4 times. Yeah, I can see I did 4 times, because the crossing, right? And looks like that. And you see, those are, look like cable knitting, right? It's beautiful, isn't it? And it's easy. And a lot of people don't like the cable knitting, but there you go. Simple. But I don't know. Maybe cable knitting is easy too. Okay? Anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy knitting. Bye for now.